What's up, people? I'm gonna show you all this I made. It's Eas alerts, fake ones I made though. I wish some of them was real. Let's get started. USA. Come on. There you go.
The U.S. government has won the fight against bad guys in other countries, so the warning has expired.
Okay.
The Natural Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Northumberland counties. The tornado is on the ground. Please take cover now. This is a tornado emergency. The tornado is heading to Shamokin. The tornado is in Danville. The U.S. government issued a zombie attack in Pennsylvania, and the zombies and zombies' pets is coming out from their grave and attacking the living in Northumberland counties. In Ranchaw, a huge wave of zombies is coming to Ranchaw and turn everything off or die. Please take cover now. The Natural Weather Service has issued a flood warning for Northumberland counties. The tornado warning is still in Danville. Stay tuned. The Natural Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northumberland counties. This severe storm might turn into a tornado warning.
Alright, we got expired. We got a lot to go through yet. So expired. Make sure I forgot what I was gonna say. Sorry. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and favorite my channel if you want. Okay, let's continue because we got a lot to do. I just wanted to show you all these alerts I made a couple of days ago. Some of them was months ago. So sorry. Okay, let's get started.
The National Weather Service has expired the tornado warning for Northumberland counties in Danville and Shamokin. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northumberland counties in Sunbury.
Sunbury.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for State College and Northumberland. The following counties for Sunbury, Shamokin, Lewisburg, Hershey, Harrisburg, Danville. These are the counties for the severe thunderstorm warning.
These are all random. So it's not in order. Come on.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for State College and Northumberland counties in Sunbury, Shamokin, Lewisburg, Hershey, Harrisburg, Danville. These are the counties for the tornado warning. The severe thunderstorm warning is in place.
I did prank some people with this app. It was pretty funny.
The U.S. government has expired the zombie attack virus, but there may be a few killers zombies around. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Northumberland counties for Sunbury, Shamokin, Lewisburg, Hershey, Harrisburg, Danville. These are the counties for the tornado warning. The tornado will be near at 6:30 p.m. Please take cover. The Natural Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Northumberland counties for Sunbury, Shamokin, Ranshaw, Trevorton, Pottsville, Lewisburg, Hershey, Harrisburg, Danville. These are the counties for the tornado warning for 6:30 p.m. The tornado will be near and the tornado is on the ground right now in Danville and heading to Ranshaw, then Trevorton, Pottsville, Lewisburg, Hershey, Harrisburg. Please take cover now.
Beep.
The Natural Weather Service has issued a tornado warning. Please listen. The tornado is on the ground in Sunbury and the tornado is heading to Shamokin, then Pottsville. This is a very emergency update. Please take cover now.
Wow. 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 Wow.
The Natural Weather Service has issued a severe statement for Northumberland counties in Sunbury. The tornado warning has been damaged to Sunbury and now the tornado is heading to Shamokin, then Pottsville. The Natural Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northumberland counties for Sunbury, Shamokin, Lewisburg, Hershey, Harrisburg, Danville. These are the counties for the severe thunderstorm warning. This severe storm might make hail and strong winds. The time of this storm will be 4:30 p.m.
W. I don't know I'm doing that. Not good. Just not good. Not good.
The U.S. government has issued a severe zombie virus in Northumberland counties in Pennsylvania and all the killer zombies is killing living people right now. Oh, and all the killer zombies heading to Ranshaw. Please take cover now. This is a very emergency update.
Crazy. Get ready for this crazy one. And funny.
The Natural Weather Service has issued a tornado warning and a severe thunderstorm warning and a flood warning and a wind warning and a earthquake warning and a zombie warning for Northumberland counties in Trevorton, Ranchasha, Moken, Lewisburg, Hershey, Harrisburg, Danville. These are the counties for all the warnings, and the time will be 5 p.m.
That's a crazy one. President. Beep. Beep.
The U.S. President has issued a zombie attack in USA, the whole United States of America, all the undead in rising from their graves and attacking the living. This is a very emergency update, and there are flying killers zombies around and destroying all the property. This might be the end for the world. Just take cover now.
Yeah. Just take cover now. Kill.
The U.S. government has issued a very serious zombie attack in Pennsylvania. All the zombies is wreaking the houses and power line and throwing cars into houses and killing the living. This is a very emergency update. Make sure you have food and water for 2 weeks. Please take cover and stay safe.
Stay safe. I'm dying. I'm just joking. 9.
All the police department has issued a severe zombie virus in the whole United States of America. The zombies start attacking at 9 p.m. and they go back to their graves at 3:30 a.m.
Oh, Zach. Let's do it. Let's do this.
The U.S. President has issued a severe zombie attack in USA. All the undead is attacking the living. All the zombies heading to Pennsylvania, going to Ranchasha and Trevorton. The zombies destroying homes, cars, roads, and power lines. The zombies come out from their grave at 6:45 p.m. and they go back to their graves at 4 a.m. This is a very emergency update. Please take cover now.
KKKK. 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 I don't know why I'm saying that.
U.S. President has issued a zombie warning for Northumberland counties in Pennsylvania. All the zombies come out from their grave at 9:30 a.m. and they go back to their graves at 4 a.m. This is a very emergency update. Do the zombies come out at 9:30 a.m. today and then they go back to their graves tomorrow at 4 a.m.? Please take cover now.
Please take cover now. Okay? Fire. This is my favorite one. Get ready. I'll try my best to make it. I don't know.
This is a natural emergency. All the undead is attacking the living in Pennsylvania. All the zombies killing all the living things and destroying homes, trees, power lines, cars, starting fires in homes. This is a very emergency update. Please stand by.
We will. Alright, that's it. But one more thing I want to show you. I did not make this one, but it's my favorite one on this. Guess what's my favorite one in this row? Leave me comments and let me know. My favorite one is oh no, this is real. State of Pennsylvania. Did I say pencil?
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania State Police Department. An unidentified virus strain is rapidly spreading across the state of Pennsylvania. The first reports of the virus are believed to have been in State College. The virus has since spread throughout the state of Pennsylvania. It is believed that it will spread to adjacent states within the next 12 hours. Symptoms of this virus include initial nausea and vomiting, blurred vision, loss of muscle control and unconsciousness. State College has also reported that some of the affected persons have been through a death-like dormant state before waking up and becoming extremely violent. Because this appears to be an airborne virus, authorities recommend that the following action should be taken by all members of the public: stay indoors and lock all windows and doors. Turn off all heating and air conditioning systems. Wear breathing masks to prevent catching the virus. Ration your food and water supplies so they last for 1 to 2 weeks. If you show any of the symptoms, inform the local authorities so that you can be quarantined in your home as soon as possible. Any residents on neighboring states hearing this message should also take these precautionary actions. All efforts are being made to stop the propagation of this virus. Streets should be kept unobstructed for emergency personnel. Most importantly, stay safe and avoid panic. Unruly behaviors will not be tolerated. You will be arrested.
Alright, people. Hope you enjoyed. I'll do all these then. These are going to take longer. I did not make these ones. I just wanted to show you this one. Let's listen to it again. I'm joking. Well, thanks for watching, people. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Leave me comments. if you want to listen to new ones. And also leave a comment. Where did I get the sayings from? I'm John Schofield. So subscribe if you have not. That part. I'll give you a hint. Starts with a Z. Z. I'm not gonna tell you. Well, hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.